How to see a profile picture from Instagram in full size. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So to do this we just have to go on our Instagram app, and then from here go to your search bar and search for the person that you want to see their profile picture in full size. So I will go to Selena Gomez. This is just an example for you guys. You have to remember their username, so it's Selena Gomez. So after that, let's go to a browser that you like, and then go to InstaDP, as you can see right there at the top of the page. Then from here, scroll down, then click on Profile Pictures Downloader, and then again scroll a little bit down, and then here at the username we have to enter our username. So let's type our username. Hit the enter button. Then click continue. So after that we have to click to full size next to the profile. So click on full size. Then scroll down. And here we can see the profile picture in full size, and you can even download this. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.